Suppose you have an InDesign document with many layers, and you want to change the layer names. It's tedious. I made a script to help. Layers rename from CSV. I'll show the script in Windows. It works the same on Mac OS. First, you need a spreadsheet of layer names to find and their new names. The spreadsheet needs at least 2 columns. One for the layer name to find, another for the new name. Once the spreadsheet is ready, save it as comma-separated values, CSV. Back at InDesign, open the document with layers to rename. To demonstrate, I have a document with many layers. To run the script, open the Scripts panel. I already have the script installed in InDesign. For help adding scripts to InDesign, see the link in the description for another video that shows the steps. In the list, select the script, Layers Rename from CSV. Double-click to run it. Before I rename the layers, I want to point out a feature that helps prepare your CSV file. Export current layer names. Click the button File, then choose a location and name for the file. This outputs a CSV file with the current layer names. The Change column is empty, ready for the new names. Use a text editor to search and replace, or use regular expressions to alter the current layer names. Then paste the new names into the Change column, or manually enter new layer names. Save that, and it's ready for the script. Now back to InDesign. First, choose the delimiter your CSV file uses. The default is comma, normal in the United States. Some European countries use semicolon instead. Choose whichever is used in your region of the world. Click the button File to select the CSV file. Choose the column for layer names to find, then the column for new layer names. Click OK. Any layer that matches the name in the Find column is renamed to the value in the Change column. Go to the Edit menu and select Undo. And we're back to where we started. Or use Ctrl-Z to undo and Shift-Ctrl-Z to redo. And you can see the layer name changes. Download the script and give it a try. See the link in the description. Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe so you're notified of future videos. Any problem with the script or ideas for others, leave a comment. All suggestions are welcome. There are plenty of other scripts and videos for them. Click the video or playlist on screen for more. Thank you for watching.